Hey, how y'all doing? Y'all know what today is. Today is ESS Day, Erotic, Sensual, Seductive Day. As y'all can see, like normally I have on like workout clothes, but I'm like, no. As y'all know, it's hard to tell. I'm sure wherever you are, it's hard to tell. It's hard to tell. So this is the outfit that I have today. But also I have on my, the appropriate shoes for the appropriate hour. And these are my slipper heels. You gotta have you a pair of those. So when you performing for your lover, boyfriend, girlfriend, whoever for, the key is to be like relaxed, keep the face nice and sexy, and just play with your eyes. You look right and left, pierce at him like the lioness that you are, and easy, soft, sensual movements, and also mysteriousness. It's also sexy. Hey, keep it mysterious. Hey, hey. We're gonna be like nice and easy. Like to be sexy and sensuous, you don't need to do a lot. Once you got him, you already got him like in your bed. I'ma tell you the truth. He's there or she's there. Nice and easy. Listen, and another thing too, right? I'm gonna walk close. You're gonna take small steps. Hey, nice and small, easy. Remember your faces from last week? I just little faces. So you staring at him like a lioness. The lioness face, then close. Your hips is just going right, left, right, left, right, left. Hey, I love this motherfucking song, yo. This is my shit. Left, right, easy. Just your hips is just going right, left. But now it's figure eighting. Another thing to being sexy and seductive and erotic, be mysterious. You don't have to show everything. It's only time for that. Every time ain't time for that. So you can be a little covered or covered and slowly release that. Hey, yeah. Back here. Arms just going up and down. And we're going to tip forward. Easy. This song is what? Easy. Hey. Nice and easy, baby. Yeah. Hey. Easy. Remember the hips and lips. Hips is going right and left. Hey. The intensity is in your face, baby. Take it back. Hey. So here's what I